name is Bill Miller, 2023 East Sims Way, 6004 Townsend. And I'm here to talk a little bit this morning about basically a myth. Basically we've been living under this myth until this recent credit crisis. And it's a free market myth. And that myth has often been expressed in the popular media. And they say that government does not grow economies, that business does. Or, hey, government, don't meddle where you are not needed. However, I happen to agree with Professor Jeff Madrick that government does indeed grow economies. It creates jobs and it produces prosperity. It is government decisions, of course, they have to be correctly made, that make economies grow. Nations whose, there's many nations whose government really helps them grow. They educate their children and teenagers. They build its roads and bridges and highways and airports. They establish regulatory bodies, hopefully to minimize financial bust. They develop sanitation systems, water systems, healthcare standards. They support temporary unemployed, and they provide public pensions to its elderly and subsidize its poor. This is the call of big government. Now, if that term bothers you, how about proportional government? Anyway, the U.S. government has its good examples. Financing of canals in the 1820s. We started building primary schools in the 1830s, high schools in the 1800s. We started water systems and sanitary systems in the 1900s. Again, however, for the past 30 years, there have been some exceptions. Government has not adequately sustained and nurtured the society or helped it adapt to the changes. The government invested less, it regulated less, and it led less. As odd as this might sound, without an effective government, America would be poor today. Government is not always good. It requires vigilance, and that's what I like about coming to these meetings. There are people that do care about the government here in our county and what we have can do to help it. But it requires our confidence and understanding, and it has to earn our confidence and understanding. But as people, we have to learn our own history. Anyway, I want to say that as economies grow larger, societies more populous, scientific and social knowledge gets deeper, and interconnections more complex, government grows as well. At least it has to in those societies that are going to succeed.